And we are making red candy apples. I'm doing it with the straws this time. Move that over. It's already ready to go. Now I'm going fast because my mixture is already ready to go. And I didn't have my sticks ready. So I usually give it 3 good bangs with the hammer. If I'm doing it with the straws, I do 2 and then 1 more time after I do the straws in there. So okay. Apples are ready to go. Now for my color. We are doing watermelon. And we're doing a red color. Red. And this is from Hobby Lobby. It's called Red. And to achieve the perfect red, you have to add some white. Now I start off with 1 drop of white to achieve my color. Because if not, it'll be like a see-through. And if you add too much, it'll be pink. I think 1 more drop. Okay, take this out. Let's do a marble. So I'm just going to make 1 drop here. Just a couple drops in different spots in the pot. No spot is the same. We're going to do a marble. Tilt your pot. And that's so we can cover the entire apple, even at the top. And then you're going to get this marble effect on your candy apples. I always shake mine. Get that excess mixture off because I don't like the big old pools at the bottom that is so tacky. And sit it on my mat. And do my next one. Each apple will be totally different. because it's marble and you really have no control of the apple and the mixture and how it's going to lay on the apple. So this one. Z, I need you to put some gold tool on my apples. Or white. So for 2 of the apples, I'm going to do the sanding sugar. Well, I think I am. I don't know. Depends on how they look. If all of them come out really cute, I'll leave them as such. If not, I'll do the standing sugar on them. And I already have my water boiling for that. Cover up the entire apple. None of the apples should be left out. Done with that. That'd be cute too with the gold. Now to get my candy apple mixture out of my pot, I just run water in it. Boil it with water until it's all gone. Alright, so let's see if any one of these can get sugar on them. Or they all cute. This one ain't too much of a marble effect. I don't know, maybe that one. I like this one. This one I'm definitely do it because you can't really. I'm gonna do these two because you really can't see the marble effect in them. And this mat is a lifesaver. It's a silicone mat. Can you give me some red sanding sugar, please? So only thing you do to add the sanding sugar is you hold your apple over steaming water. And I have a pot of water over here boiling, so I'm going to step away and just hold my apple and rotate it over the steam so that when I sprinkle the sanding sugar on it, it'll stick to it. You can go ahead and do it, Zane. Don't dip it in the water. Just hold it over the steam. And that just gets it sticky. And my plate is just to catch any excess so we don't waste any. And them the only two I'm going to do. The rest of them, came out perfect. The marble effect. Maybe I can do this one. This one ain't too much marble. So it'll be 3 and 3. Well, this box? I gotta take a picture, see.
Then why you tell me to do it?
You can go ahead and start cutting it.
I'm not gonna know, so I'm just gonna do it now.
Okay. I don't know how to do the 2 on the cake, but she does, so. I mean, on the apple.
What do you want on it?
Just the 2.
2?
2, yeah. And that is it. Pull this. So we have 3 sanding sugars. And then 3 marble. I like this one.
What's some chips?